So, the long-awaited video. This video, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you the simple Facebook ad strategy that you need to do to start making money, to start making sales, and to start gaining your financial freedom. Now, look, this simple, it's very simple. It's a very simple ad strategy. There's obviously more complicated ones, but this one is proven. I have proof. Not me, but someone I know who started doing this ad strategy from the beginning, from the get-go, and is still doing it now, has made over $400,000 in sales in the last month or two. So it works, and it's really simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Now, I do have other ad strategies that might be more advanced. I don't know, maybe necessarily better, but I won't go over that because it's really saucy, and if you want access to that, that's where you got to join the VIP Legends. I made a video talking about how I'm creating a team, the last video. So if you haven't watched that, go check that out. But basically, in there, we have people showing different ad strategies that are more advanced, that gather more data, and it's a bit better. But like I said, this ad strategy is the ones that I've been using, and it works. I have proof of concept. So, and it's really simple. You don't have to be an absolute genius. So let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste any more of your time. So here we are in my old business manager ad account. And if you're not dealing with any ads, ad bans, any ad account disabled, you should be able to create a campaign. So we're going to create one and start off with sales. We're going to do manual. But we're going to keep it broad, right? So really simple. Usually, let's say, for an example, I would do the name of the product. So for this example, I'm going to do Bible jar, and do CBO, since we're going to do a CBO. Very simple. You're going to keep everything the same. You want to make sure that even though I'm not touching anything here, that you have still the same settings. Don't scroll past it. Sometimes everyone has their automatic settings a bit different. So make sure you have auction, sales, all this turned off. The only thing you want to turn on is advantage budget, campaign budget, and you're going to start with $100. You're going to have the highest volume or value, and everything basically here is simple, and you start it off. Here, I like to just name this stacked. This is the ad group. Again, you're going to have one campaign, one ad group, very simple. You want to have maximized number of conversions. You want to pick a pixel. So let's say whatever this is. And then you want to do for purchase. Again, very simple. If you guys are following along, it's very simple. Dynamic creatives, you're not going to turn that on. So basically, if we were actually running this, we would run it for the next day at midnight. You want to give Facebook the full day to spend, and you want to target the top 4 countries. So you're gonna do United Kingdom, you're gonna do United States. I like to just do these 3. A lot of people do the top 4, which is adding New Zealand. Because Australia, what I realize is that their time difference is completely different from all the other countries. So they usually tend to do just these 4. I like to do just these 3. It's really up to you. Honestly, we're going to end up doing just these 3. Advantage plus audience is on. Advantage plus placements is on. And again, it's that simple. Now, basically, what we're going to do is... Hold on. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have your ad 1 here. So you're going to make your first ad. You're going to connect your Facebook page. So let's say you have a page, you connect your Facebook page. You do manual upload. You don't want a catalog, that's for sure. And you're going to do single image or video ad. You're going to scroll past this. You don't need this. You're going to add your media. So let's say, for an example, we're going to be using, I don't know, we're going to do No, let's get a video that says ad one to make it correlate with each other. We're going to do ad one, right? So we're going to do ad one. And this is what I recommend heavily for people that don't do this, is that Facebook really pushes the one-on-one. But if you see your one-on-one is not the best. But if you would, like, every time I make an ad, I make the same version of the ad, but I just do make it in that one-on-one format. I already give Facebook this option, so they can definitely choose which, because their AI is very advanced. So you give them as many options as they could, and they'll decide the best way to get the best purchases. So that's why for every single ad, I make sure to have the same ad in 9 and 16 format, and then the one-on-one format. And I upload it, I replace it over here myself. I don't do the over here because sometimes the text don't align. So I make sure. And that's about it. For your primary text, you're going to want to just it's not really that important. Usually people just have their impulse purchase on the actual ad itself, but you still want to make it good. So you want to add some emoji that correlates with the primary text. I'm not going to find one right now. So let's say VV is like the emoji. And then you're going to say something like along the lines, struggling with your daily tasks. Our Bible jar, whatever your product name, our Bible jar helps you overcome any stress or anxiety throughout your day. Something like that along the lines. Maybe you want to have help with some ChatGPT, or do your own research, look at competitors, see what they're writing, how they're formatting it. But just to understand the basic concept is that. And I always like to do some space, and I like to do shop now, and you put an arrow, and then here you put your website link. So it's just for extra, people can easily click on it. Then your headline, a lot of people actually just put their product name. So like, let's say the Bible jar, they can do this. Or you can do like your offer, like buy one, get one free now, or let's say today only, whatever it is. Buy one, get one free today only. Let's say you leave it off like that. Actually, you know what? I personally like this because it looks more branded. Obviously, you make it look nice, the Bible jar, whatever it is. I'm going through this quick. And in the description, if you put the product name as your headline, here is where I'd probably put buy one, get one free, and today. Here's where I'll probably put the offer. And then make sure, obviously, you want shop now as a call to action, obviously. And then here you put your website link, whatever. I'm not going to put a website link here. So basically your ad one is done, and all you got to simply do, I usually like to test between 3 to 5 creative, 3 to 6, so let's say we have, 6. You're going to duplicate it 5 more times, and then you're basically just going to go into each and every one of them, and you're not going to change anything besides just the video. So you come here, delete the video, and then go add 2, let's say, right? You're going to have add 2 over here. Then make sure to, replace, because I have both versions. I would just have to find it. Yeah, it's all a mess. Let's see, it's this. I think it's this. So you have this, and then the one-on-one version. Make sure you don't screw that up. And again, you keep doing those for each and every one. Obviously, you want to change this. Let's say add 2. Then boom. And you're going to keep doing this to add 3, add 4, add 5, add 6. And then you're going to press publish. Make sure to go at the top here and publish all of them. I feel like a lot of people might actually make that mistake. Yeah, they probably won't publish because I didn't put a link, but you get the gist of it. So that is the simple ad testing strategy that I use. And whenever you want to, let's say you're scaling, or whenever you're testing new creatives, just add it in the same campaign. Add it in the same campaign, ad group, all in one, because Facebook is so advanced. You don't need to do these interest targeting. You don't need to do a bunch of different campaigns. To just keep it simple and to just test the product, all you need is one campaign. Now, obviously, you can be more advanced once you're doing very big numbers, but just to test a simple one campaign strategy is all you need. Like I said, people are doing 6 figures with this just one simple ad strategy. So look, it's really simple. Now, I know there's a lot of bans going on. I know there's a lot of other strategies going on, but right now, Meta is the move. I've explained this to you before. So it would be very good for you to get familiar with this ad platform, for you to get to know the ins and outs and gain skills, gain knowledge, so you can master this ad platform. Because I'm a heavy pusher for Meta. Meta is definitely something I see long term. And, people are making, 7, 8, 9 figures with this ad platform. So it's very easily one of the best ones. So obviously, it's good to know. Thank you for watching. I don't want to keep this too long. I want to keep it very simple because that's the whole point of it. It's very simple. Setting it up, setting up the profiles, the business managers, the ad accounts, that is pretty complicated. That's why I suggest, if you don't know how to do that, there are other better videos that explain it better than I could. So go watch another video. Like I'm not even promoting my own content. I'll go watch someone else's video. Just search up how to set up ad account, Facebook ad account. Someone else will explain it better for you. And then for your testing ad strategy, you can come back to this one. And again, it's very simple. Thank you for watching. And like always, I'll see you at the top.